welcome back to Backhoe Racing. Got a unconventional way of digging a trench today. This is a surprise because I have a leaking pitless adapter here, unfortunately. So we noticed that we have a little bit of a lake going on, and it's coming from underground. So we're going to dig this up, and we're going to fix it, see what we run into. Hopefully we don't have to change the pitless adapter itself, but you never know, we may have to. So let's get into this and see what we kind of run into. Well, there's the leak. So it's coming up from the pitless adapter, which is about 5-6 feet down or so on this one. So let's turn the water off and get digging. Found the line. It's down about a foot or so, maybe not quite a foot down from where I'm at. So I'm going to take a little bit more off so that the water will drain out. Luckily the ground is real soft because it's so wet, but that also makes it hard because it just falls in on itself. So the problem is they put a piece of steel here, thinking steel is better than plastic probably, but it rotted off.
You know what the other problem is?
What?
My shadow is blocking all of everything.
Oh, I think it'll be all right. This has rubber in it. I'm going to just cut it off.
Rue is very interested in helping Gavin. Woo! That smells terrible!
It's real nice. Little mud goes in. All right, so this is our pitless adapter, and so what this is basically just an elbow that goes in and down to the well pump, and it also has a thread going up so that you can pull. That's for pulling the pump and everything out with it. So this nut would unthread off of here, and then that will go inside the casing, and then you pull your pump out that way with the pipe and everything down below. So what happened is they put steel in, and the steel rotted away, and then it started coming out here, and the water just eventually cut that away, or I don't know how that happened, or it got screwed up before, and who knows. It looks like someone had gotten had taken a piece of pipe out of this before, because there's a cut going into the threads a little bit right down here, where they maybe split the pipe to get it out of there. So we'll see. Hopefully, I don't have to pull that pitless out, because that would involve pulling the pump up, you know, 6-7 feet. And I really don't want to have to do that, but I can do that if I have to. And those are available locally at Home Depot. Even has these pitless adapters at Home Depot. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a PEX adapter. We're going to thread that in. We're going to use the really thick tape, which hopefully will seal it up, and then we're going to adapt the PEX to PVC. So, and all this stuff is available at Home Depot when you need it. I just got it all from Home Depot.
Welcome back. What are you doing, Gavin?
Cutting the PVC. These are good cutters.
Good thing you have all that forearm strength.
It's a good thing.
I don't want that.
Okay, so now I was digging. I needed gloves. I need gloves now. There we go. .32 3/8.
Ooh, that's a nice tape measure.
It is a nice tape measure. Both sides too.
I like it. Who makes that?
Lufkin. Or no, yeah, Lufkin. Ooh, Crescent makes Lufkin, I guess. What did I say?
32 was the last number I heard.
Should I cut my tape measure in half?
No, I just said I liked it. The GoPro says that its battery is dead.
Yeah, perfect. Pressure it up.
Oh boy.
Get that out of there. Is it leaking?
No. Not that I can tell.
I think the only really questionable spot would be right here. And it's good. Nothing. Cool.
All right.
We did it.
And by we, you mean you?
Yeah.
I like how I got credit though. Thanks, honey. I did have to run to get some tools. And I ran too.
All right, so that blade, if you guys are curious, it's just a 7-foot 3-point tractor blade with a piece of 4x6 rec tube welded to the back of it with some holes blown into it for the teeth to go in. That's all that is. The bar that goes into the bucket that you'll see here in just a second, that is basically just a kickstand so it doesn't fall all the way on its back when I set it down. That's the only purpose that bar provides. So there'll be more videos on me using this. I'm going to be cutting some road into the hillside. I have to get this backhoe into the backyard because now we're having septic issues as well. So I got to cut a road back there. So I'll do that on video and time lapse. That should be pretty entertaining to watch. I'm hoping I can make a nice level road going across the hillside. So we'll see. We'll see how hard that is. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Safari video for the sway bars is going to be coming out, I think, on Monday. I'm almost done with it, but obviously this kind of jumped in line.